Welcome. It's day 2. And I have 2 onigiri again.
Onigiri again.
Is it the same flavors?
No, it's different. And this one's from 7-Eleven this time.
What flavor is it?
We got grilled salmon,
Oh, I was looking for that one.
and then bonita flakes and kelp.
I was looking for this.
Yeah, they buy it.
Yeah.
I think this one is cheaper. This
I
is
think your
grilled salmon.
translation is so bad so far.
Yeah.
Actually, there's like,
Try mo nga i-download yung Google Translate and see if it's better.
Yeah,
Okay.
because sometimes the
Yeah,
translation is
kasi yung
not
sa
accurate.
app, parang ang weird
Same
mag-translate
thing
well,
as you pulled it
it's
3
working
times.
fine for me.
No, but that's Apple Translate. You
Yeah.
need to download, to just compare.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have the cache space for
I'm
that.
trying to get it. Wow, they even copied the exact logo. Really?
I think. Oh yeah, they did. Wow.
Okay.
Hey, sure.
Oh, no.
Okay, never mind. Grilled salmon. Yeah, I realized.
Naubusan sila na egg sandwich. Yun, that's what I wanted, but they don't have it anymore.
All the time, first bite, it's like no love. So, I gotta do it again.
Napaka-sustainable.
What sandwich is it?
Chicken with teriyaki sauce. Chicken, egg, and teriyaki. I think. Or pork.
You have to accept the
My phone is upstairs.
Hey.
Maybe I can
One
do
more.
it from there. I can't do
Are you
it.
gonna taste the grilled salmon?
I'm charging my phone upstairs.
I use this.
Very grilled flavor. I ate like half of it already. Remember, what do you eat?
The sandwich is really good.
Wow. Why does it look like you ate one already? Wait,
My sandwich,
I'm gonna add more.
my sandwich is better than yours. What about yours?
This is like soy sauce.
Authentic gyoza. Gyoza from Japan.
Yeah.
Is it 2 packages?
Basta
I don't know.
i-translate mo ano nakasulat.
Yeah.
I think one of them is oil, parang chili oil.
Oh, okay.
Second one. It doesn't have the complicated wrapping.
Kaya parang soy sauce yung isa.
Yeah.
And then if you want it spicy, you can put the other one.
I don't know.
I'll just do this one. This one looks like I can taste the flavor after the first bite.
Which one is that one?
Bonita flakes, shrimp, and kelp. It's colder rice.
You show me this.
Maybe they put it in the packaging like this, so it's fresher rice.
Can I put my spoon here? And then
Yeah.
Can you imagine with it?
you show me it.
Can you imagine with this? I don't know. I've been like heating it up for like I've been just eating it cold. Maybe that tastes better.
Hey.
Where are we going this time?
I need to know.
You don't know?
Somewhere for. Okay. We're supposed to make up at 8.
Very good. Kala ko impong.
Impong yung nanay.
Oh.
Hitomi yung bata.
Oh,
Yung
so that's
anak.
your impong.
Yeah.
Because I saw it.
Yeah. Impong is the
Okay, that's better.
the daughter. I mean the daughter, the cousin.
Alright.
Yung
Can I try this?
Yes. Oh, or 2.
Very soft.
Ganon.
Yeah. Try it with the sauce.
It's very soft. I don't know what's inside.
It's like soy sauce or with vinegar or something.
Parang gyoza sauce. Di
Soy
ba may
sauce is
fresh
strong.
ano? Shoyu, ponzu siguro.
Ponzu.
Ponzu sauce.
No, I just said like soy sauce with vinegar. Or not soy sauce, but something.
Yeah. Where are we off to today?
Sanrio puro lang.
Nanrio Pearl. Chinek ko kapon. I was like, you have to leave 7:45, so I'm like,
Yeah, it's a 2-hour ano, travel. Kaya nga, linisin ko na kayo. Mamaga tayo din.
using tayo ng 6 something, but it doesn't feel like 6 something.
What does it feel like?
It was like, wake up early for school, like 7:30 or something. Like, I don't know.
Mas earlier pa
Yung
tayo
more-
kahapon eh.
Oh.
Di ba,
You want
man,
one
you
more?
were awake at like 5
You want
a.m.
one more?
I'll just take it from there. Just give it to me.
I'll give you 15.
I mean, I don't know. Last one.
How do you think of the trip so far?
Really good.
Really, that's good.
I always see like videos saying like Japan is living in the future. But,
Yeah.
like, I
Living
never
in
really-
Japan is living in 2050.
Japan is very advanced.
Yeah.
And I really like the bidet. I wanna take it home.
Kaya yung bidet.
Can we have a bidet at home?
We go to Emily's house.
No, wala.
Do they have a Toto washlet? I wanna take a Toto washlet at home.
No, that's like the
No.
universal.
Yeah.
And that's the simplest one. Even at the really rundown restaurant.
They have a
Not
bidet.
rundown, but the washroom
You
was very
should
small.
you should have tried the one at a really small restaurant, yung ramen restaurant.
Oh, bad.
Hindi, kung may bidet din sila
Oh,
doon.
nga.
Pero yung mga public toilets, they don't have it. Like yung sa train station,
Ah, okay,
wala
sige.
siyang bidet. Tsaka, yeah, yung sa mga train station, walang bidet.
Wait, give me
Alright.
strawberry or
Wait, so,
or Oh,
Strawberry or what?
I don't know. O-R-E.
Oh, strawberry or...
Mild with
Morning,
chestnuts.
bebe.
Wait, Dolcetto.
Kumain ka muna bago ka magbihis.
Lactic drink.
Kumain ka muna bago ka magbihis.
Well, it's 1% juice, so I think it has to be milk.
Wait, is there straw even like mechanized or something? Oh, look.
This is kind of weird.
Oh, yeah.
Parang nakita ko na yun before. It's retractable.
What? Retractable straw?
Retractable straw.
What? Oh.
Straw lang to, guys.
Okay, it's or and now it's old. Oh, it's milk drink. Okay, never mind.
Orange juice. Ellie said, if it's half open, it should be fresh. If
It should be 100% orange. As per Ellie. Wisdom of Ellie.
Oh, that's good.
It's good.
Ano ba yung ininom mo kapon? Or
Yeah, yeah.
pinapakita lang ni Ellie sa'yo?
Pero makita lang. Tapos gusto ko kunikan kapon. Try your strawberry milk.
That's my honest opinion.
It really was, yeah.
It's very overwhelming. Kasi parang overstimulated ka na yun mo nakikita.
Yeah.
Lalo na sa Don
Every-
Quixote. Parang, like, tapos di mo pa naintindihan. So parang, what is this? I don't know this.
Yeah.
Pero, ano, it's
Like-
part of the,
Adventure.
you go to different places to experience these kinds of things. Hindi siya, it shouldn't be hindering you from traveling. Wisdom of the day.
No.
Kasi parang yung sa Paris din noon, like may nagsabi sa amin, oh, di ba hindi sila nag-English doon? So why would you go there? Like, it's part of the experience of going to a different country. Of course, you're gonna be like, may makikita mga tao na hindi mo, doesn't speak your language. It's, alam nga naman, mag-expect ka na mag-English sila. Ikaw ngayon pumunta sa bansa nila, di ba?
It's very hard.
What are you doing?
Trying to open it, but it's so soft.
I think you just open like regular milk.
Is that what are you, hindi ba parang regular milk lang? Ayun,
Oh.
meron
Oh,
siyang,
yeah.
meron siyang
Wait, what
arrow.
is this for?
I don't know.
Okay, well.
Maybe it's just for a straw.
Oh, well, you know how to straw.
Binigyan ba sila ng straw?
Anyway,
sakura ice.
Wow.
Kuya, oh, may spoon din na ay ano.
Yeah, yung maliit na. Oh, I grabbed the middle.
I think this is for you. Kasi wala man akong binili. Kasi yung sa akin, ano. Ay, may jello pala din. Ano, okay lang.
Sorry.
Pero may-
Anyway, Sakura ice cream.
Yeah, it tastes like the one I got.
Oh wait, hold on. Let me try this. The strawberry milk.
With a little bit fake.
Wait, it tastes like the one from the vending machine.
Do you want to show my viral melon cream?
Yeah, wait.
That's not Valentine.
Oh.
This is the viral melon cream sabi ng mga Facebook Reels.
The Facebook group. You,
You buy
need
for-
to try this
You
melon.
need to try this. Oh my god. Family Mart.
Yeah.
But don't put it in your backpack because look what happened. eat it,
Instagram Reels
eat
did
it
not
right
say that.
away. Tip of the day.
That one.
When you buy it at Family Mart, you eat it right away. Got it? That's it. Follow me for more tips.
And then it repeats again. Tips and tricks at the local family group.
Follow me for more tricks, tips, and tricks. Your trip to Japan.
I don't know what Sakura tastes like, but it looks like cotton candy. Or pink.
Sakura doesn't taste like anything. You don't eat the flowers.
It said Sakura flavor. Oh.
Unless people eat the flowers too. I don't know.
I think you can eat the flower.
You can eat the cherries. It's cherry blossom, diba? Yung fruit na niya.
I think it just tastes like pink.
Diba? Like, the cherry blossoms here is the same essence as yung apple sa atin. Diba our tree in the backyard?
Yeah.
Blossoms.
Mm.
Tapos yun na yung blossom niya. Pag natanggal na yung blossom, nagiging fruit na siya. So the cherry blossoms is for cherries. So the flavor would be cherry. Should
But
be
not
cherry.
Sakura. 'Cause that's
Not
a flower.
sakura, not the flower, but like the fruit when it blossoms. When it, ano.
Nature fact of the day.
Follow me for more tips. Follow me for more Japan nature tips. It's good.
I think that was the strawberry milk from the
Okay.
vending machine. Oh,
It tastes like melona. Anything melon, it tastes like melona.
really?
Sorry, I took a big bite.
Let me try. Let me try.
It's okay. You can buy some more at Family Mart.
Yeah, how much is it? Like $2?
Doesn't say, but something
That's good.
like that. Mga 3 something siguro.
How are they gonna track if you open it anyway?
Apparently, kasi diba binipakita mo yung passport mo. Your passport has a QR code.
There's a cute one.
There's a QR code. So I don't know if the style or thing.
No.
I mean,
What are you gonna eat for breakfast?
Uy, kung kakain ka na, kumain ka na, simulan mo.
There you go.
Wala.
Wala lang.
It's a small world.
もっとそっちにもう少しこっちでござるせっせせっせせっせせっせよいちょっとでごじゃる待ってくれ頑張
Ay, so.
Ayan na, yung paborito ni Ellie.
No! Are you guys scared? Are you guys so scared?
Let's go!
Oh no! Wow!
Ay!
Hey!
Let's go! Let's go! Ang ingay niyo. Let's go, kuya! May paborito. Your favorite. Ayan pa, ayan pa. Yan. Ay, natakot siya.
Wow!
Ay, ito na yung ano, may party sa labas. Kunin mo yung... Ay! Alam ko yan na yung magpipicture eh. Kuya, ikaw ang tamad.
Matala. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Baliw ka na.
Follow na.
Dali, takbo, takbo!
Let's go Cinema Road. Follow the tape. Kala ko bibilis.
Nag-explode lang siya.
It's Hello Kitty's
Hello
birthday.
Kitty.
Wait, it's a Hello Kitty's
Very cute.
wedding.
Very
It's
cute.
her wedding or something. What?
Kinakasal siya kay Hello Kitty.
Oh my God!
Wow, bongga talaga.
We're all here.
Oh wait, I think
Anything in
受け取り場所をお近くの GS にしていただくといつでも送料無料でお買い物いただける